Testosterone's your manhood fuel, bro, driving strength, energy, and confidence. But Bob's tanking his with a trash diet and crying when his vibe crashes. He thinks he's a stud, but he's a chump. Why? Some foods secretly sap your testosterones, and Bob's scarfing them like a loser. Want to stay sharp and unstoppable? Stick around to learn the top 5 foods, killing your testosterone, and how to ditch them. This hits harder than Bob's epic grocery list fail. Let's save your T levels. Bob's slurping soy lattes, thinking he's trendy. Big mistake. Soy's phytoestrogens mimic estrogen, cutting testosterone by 20%, studies show. Bob's got a soy mustache, no drive. You're smarter than this hipster chump, right? Ditch soy milk, tofu, and edamame. Swap for eggs or beef to boost testosterone, bro. Bob's munching like a clueless loser. Don't copy his diet. Take charge and keep your manhood strong. Task: check your fridge today. Toss one soy product, like tofu. Grab nuts instead. Bob's scarfing donuts and soda, chasing sugar highs. Dumb move. Sugar spikes insulin, tanking testosterone. Research confirms. Bob's sluggish, whining about crashes. Don't tank your testosterone like him. Cut sugary junk. Candy, pastries, soda. Go for berries or dark chocolate to support T levels, bro. Bob's stuck in a sugar coma. Steer clear of his mess. Eat smart to stay strong. Smash that subscribe button. Don't miss the game like Bob. Task: skip one sugary snack, like candy, this week. Replace it with almonds. Bob's piling white bread and pasta like it's his job. Lame. Refined carbs spike blood sugar, breaking testosterone, studies say. Bob's got no energy, just complains. Don't sabotage yourself like him, bro. Swap white bread for whole grains like quinoa or oats. Fuel your body right to keep T levels high. Task: replace one processed carb meal, like pasta, with a whole grain dish like quinoa this week. Bob's chugging beer like a frat boy, thinking it's manly. Wrong. Hops and beer have estrogen-like compounds, cutting testosterone by 25%, studies show. Bob's got a beer gut, no drive. Don't sink your T levels like him. Sip water or black coffee instead. Keep your manhood strong. Task: cut one beer this week. Replace it with water or coffee. Stay tough.